Whenever we've got a verb form in our answer choices, we need to find the subject for that verb and use any surrounding verbs to help indicate what the correct tense and number is, singular versus plural. So, reading from the top, atoms in a synchrotron, a type of circular particle accelerator, travel faster and faster until they blank. Oh, well, the subject then is they, and they refers to these atoms. Simple enough. A desired energy level, at which point they are. Oh, we've got another verb for they in the present tense. So they are diverted. So that means we're looking for something that would be in the present tense and fit with the plural subject of they. Will reach is future tense, so goodbye to A. Reach would be the same verb form as are, so we'll hold on to B. Had reached is going to be the past tense. We don't want that. And are reaching, well, that means kind of like it's happening at this very moment, which just again abstractly does not make logical sense.